And good evening again. I'm going to tell you some tips today. How did I improve my English? I want to share you that the language totally depend on the practice, and if you know some short phrases, it help you to speak good English. A lot of students they ask me this curious that how did you improve English? So that's why I want to share you my own experience that. First, when I used to learn this language, the same problems I have got it, you have. Definitely, the language is learned the basically from observe the things. When we observe the things, definitely we are able to speak. If you want to fluent in this language, then you have to start a small phrases like that. Let's go, let's do it. Can you help me? Would you please pass me that glasses? So that it is very important things that you must know the phrases. Then you have to learn present simple tense, past simple tense, and future simple tense. It's enough. Don't think that I am good at in all the tenses in all the grammars, and then you must know some uses can, could, would. These are the model in helping verbs when we use a simple verb, base verb. For example, can I help you? You should work hard. We may I go in outside, such kind of these helping word to help you to speak better English. That if you like it this video to share. And also I know that when the newcomers, the new students, when they start speaking English, they always being hesitate convey the message toward the peoples. Why it happens so? Because they have no good atmospheres. If you don't have good atmospheres, okay, never mind, you have to speak yourself, you have to record your voice in mobile and check it. Then you will know that's where did you make a mistake, and you will try to improve that mistakes yourself. And also if you have a partner, if you know few friends, then you have to speak with them in English. It is very important trick. The more you speak, the more you understand. Although you are good at writings, but a lot of students they have complained that we are not able to speak good English. So being a teacher, I suggest you, the more you speak, the more you learn. Don't worry about it, wrong or right, be strong. Mistakes are part of the learnings. Mistakes is stepping toward the success. Don't care about the mistake. Try until you know this language. Unless you practice, you will speak good English. I hope that you will got my small message today. If you follow it, if you follow my footstep, believe me, you will be good at in this language, and you will be able to talk, and your English will be up to the marks. If you want to step it, then you have to follow these things. Thank you very much.